Hey guys, welcome to Tactrix tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Framer AI tutorial, how to use Framer AI new feature, which is start with an AI in Framer. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about in the world of design. So it's Framer's AI brand new feature, which is Start with AI in Framer. If you're a designer looking to level up your game, this is a game changer you don't want to miss. But first, let's quickly recap what Framer is for to those who might be new to it. So, Framer is actually an incredible, powerful design and prototyping feature that has been a favorite among designers for some time now. So this allows you to create interactive pixel-perfect prototypes with ease. But what makes it even more exciting today is the introduction of its new feature AI. So this feature leverages the capabilities of AI to help streamline and expedite the design process. So for you to be able to get started, what you'll just need to do is to head on to Framer's website. So you could search Framer onto your local web browser in there or framer.com so that you'll get redirected onto this page. And then right after, you should be able to see two options onto the upper part, which is the login or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, just simply click on to sign up and you should be redirected onto the page wherein it gives you an option to continue with Google or continue with email. So this is the same process with logging in as well. So if you have an account, you'll just need to continue with Google or continue with email. And then right after that, then you'll get redirected onto Framer's dashboard. So here onto Framer's dashboard, you actually have different things to see. You have here the account settings, wherein if you click this three dots, you have the account settings, day mode, desktop app, start app tour, import from Figma, hide get started, homepage, request, you have your support community, and the thing to sign out. So here onto the lower part, you also have the recent in archive and your teams. So you have the all files in here, the templates, the archive, and you could also add in a new folder and your team settings in here. So you could also create a new team here onto the bottom part, and you could also see here onto the bottom part of the recent screen the different things that you have gone ahead and did onto this website creation program. So you could see the different projects that I did before. So you could also view your projects using the search bar and onto list view, and then right after, you should be able to see here onto the upper part of the screen the different things to get started on Framer. So this is actually the feature that we're going to be using today to start with AI. So it is actually sparkling since this is new. You also have here the option to import your size from HTML to Framer, to import your design or paste it from Figma, and learn the basics by watching the tutorials in Framer. So now let's get started with the Start with AI tool. So you'll just need to simply click onto that. And you might be wondering, how does this AI feature actually help designers? Well, think of it as your design assistant. So this saves you valuable time by creating the initial framework for your project, and this means you can focus more on refining the designs and adding your unique touch rather than starting from scratch. So this is actually perfect for quickly turning clients' briefs into tangible prototypes. So we're actually redirected onto the editing page. So you could actually start an interactive app tour by clicking this play button in here, and you'd be able to see a YouTube video on how Framer works. So we could actually just skip onto that, click onto exit tutorial. And right after that, this is the editing page. So you could see a white canvas as of the moment right now, but you could see the tool that we're gonna use here onto the left side, here onto the start button. So you'll just need to simply click onto that, and you should be able to see a pop-up screen in here. So this is where you would type in a prompt. So as of the moment right now, we're seeing some examples on what to put in here. But let's try to add in some things in here to start our website creation. Now, as you can see, I have typed in here, design a type of website tailored for target audience, ensuring that the design effectively communicates their specific purpose or message. So when creating a prompt, remember to be really descriptive, but not overly specific about styling. So for this one, so this is just like giving the AI some guidance. So what we'll just need to update in here is the type of website. We'll need to think of a website, think of the project that you want to do. So you could try to add it in here and think of the target audience that you want to reach for that specific website. And let's type in also what is the specific purpose or the message that we want to convey using this website, so that the AI would truly understand it. So let's try to add an example. Now, as you can see, I've gone ahead and updated already the prompt. So what we're going to create right now is a pet shop website. So our target audience are the animal enthusiasts. So this is tailored for animal enthusiasts, and it has the message: we want to effectively communicate the warmth and variety of our pet offerings or our pet products. It's just click on to start in here and watch the magic happen. So let's do that. And we'll just wait for this to finish. So as you can see, Framer is already generating your page. And in seconds, Framer AI will generate the initial design for your landing page based on the information that you have provided in the prompt. So it is really astonishing how quickly this one will happen. We're just gonna wait for this to finish generating. Now, as you can see, our website is fully created. So right after doing that, we actually have a free AI domain. So we have here the free AI domain that Framer has given us. So you could also pick a custom name in here and then just click on to publish. So let's just click on not now, since as of the moment, we'll try to review, or let's try to make some edits first for our, or make some last changes for our website. So click on to not now, and then right after, you have the option actually to regenerate this. So here onto the lower part, you could see the different palettes that it offers. So you could choose from different palettes. So we could try this brown one, and as you can see, it changed. But I think that one is better earlier since it is actually bright and lively. So you could also shuffle this until you find it the things or the colors that you want to use onto your website. So let's stick onto that since I like this color. And then you could also refresh this palette. So you actually have the option in here to use some fonts. So you'll just need to simply click onto the different font that you want to use, like this one. And as you can see, it changed. So we could try this one out. So feel free to customize your website as per your liking using these different fonts in here. So we have also in here. So this is for the display font, and this is for the text fonts. So this is the display and this is the text. So we'll try to update the text right now. So let's try to choose this. And as you can see, it actually changed onto what we've clicked. Now, right after here onto the left side, you could actually see the basic things that you could update: the pages, the sections, and the navigations. So you could also see the CMS in here, add in some elements like media, forums, icons, interactive, social, and utility. So here onto the upper part, you'll have the option to insert. So you could add in some pages, layers, and assets. And also you could see the layout in here. The text, you can add in more text, CMS, and action. So feel free to customize all of the things here onto your website so that you would be able to align it onto what you want to achieve. Let's try this regenerate feature in here and let's see what it will give us. Now, as you can see, it is already generating. So you have actually three options in here. This one is for the website or for the web. This one in here is for the tablet, and this one is for the device. So this is the new generated. So it's still not yet done. So it's still processing as of the moment right now, but we could see the details already that this specific website offers. So let's just wait for this to be done so that we could try to click preview in here to see what our website looks like. Now, as you can see, our website is fully generated. So let's click onto preview in here to see what it looks like. Now, this is what our website looks like through web. So we have our welcome screen, a description, and we could also meet the adorable pets that we have in here. So there is a cat. So all of these are just generated with AI. So we did not do anything in here, but it would be really best if we try to update it first or edit it first before publishing. So we have also some descriptions or featured pet types. So we could see some ratings in here, and you could also visit the store if you click this button in here, and you have the different social media links in here. So I think this is really an awesome feature that they have onto Framer. So this is really game changer since it saves you time and accelerates your design process, and it also provides a solid foundation of your project. So don't be afraid to embrace AI as your design assistant since it's here to make your life easier. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a website using Framer, or the new feature in Framer, which is to start with AI. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.